Hi everyone, it's Thunderbird Bob. Wanted to talk to you today about preventative maintenance for your 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird. I've talked to a lot of people and their engine's not running right, misfiring, or different issues like that. I kind of go through with them and ask what type of maintenance they've done, change their coil plugs, your spark plugs, your filters, etc. And I often hear that people haven't, and I think people don't understand just some of the basics that need to be done. So I've come up with a kit that handles the basic things that you do want to routinely change on your car. So one item you've probably heard a whole bunch about is the coil plugs. So in the tune-up kit, you're going to receive 8 coil plugs. Additionally, you're going to also get a packet of dielectric grease. The dielectric grease goes in here for contact from here to the spark plug. It improves the connectivity and reduces corrosion, so you can get that in there. Additionally, you're going to get 8 spark plugs. The spark plugs come pre-gapped, ready to install. If you're not familiar why these are called coilover plugs, this is the coil and sits over a spark plug, coilover plug. So this handles the spark part of your engine needs. Additionally, there's air and fuel. So let's talk about air for a minute. So in this kit, you're going to get a nice new air cleaner, filter, goes in your air cleaner, keeps your engine running right, because you don't want your engine starved for air. Additionally, including a cabin air filter, and although you don't need this for your engine operation, you do need it for breathing. So you want to have nice clean air that you can breathe coming into your car. Final filter I've got is a fuel filter. Definitely want a clean fuel filter. Keep your car running right until you change it. Additionally, including fuel injector cleaner. This one you simply pour in your gas tank and drive as normal, and instructions are on the back and how much gas you should have and all that. Now additionally, on the air side, you've got these 2 cleaners. One is a mass airflow cleaner. Your MAF monitors air temperature and pressure coming into your engine and makes adjustments. So it needs to be clean and it needs to be operating properly. This is essentially an electronics cleaner. You remove your MAF, you spray it, you let it dry, and you put it back in. This one's your throttle body cleaner. Your throttle body on a modern fuel injected car is the equivalent of a carburetor on an older car. You want to keep it clean, and if you're running a cold air intake with an oil filter, it tends to oil foul the throttle body, so you want to make sure you do use this and clean it. So, in addition to all these items, the final thing I've got included in here is an OBD2 scanner. This plugs into your car, and you can search for check engine lights and codes. Not including the software with this, you just have to download software. There's a number of different free softwares available. I use the Torque app. Additionally, they've got a professional version, I believe it's about $5. And in addition to looking up check engine lights, what you can do, you can actually see how the engine's running live while you're driving, and it'll detect misfires long before you ever get a check engine light, because you only get a check engine light when the coil is almost dead or completely dead. So it's a really great idea if you can monitor how the car is running before you get a check engine light, so you make any improvements. So that's what you're going to get in your kit. You're going to get it in a FedEx box like this. 2-day US delivery. Price on this is $375. If you have any questions, let me know.